If you want to learn how to DM someone on X.com, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to start a direct message conversation in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want to message a friend, contact a creator, or continue a private conversation on X. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open X.com or the X app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left side of the screen and find the Chat option. This is where all your direct messages are stored. Click on Chat to open your messages inbox. After that, you'll see a list of people you've already messaged, and in some cases, you may also see suggested contacts or recent conversations. Now click on the person you want to DM. If you already have a conversation with them, it will open right away. If not, you may need to search for their name or profile first, then open the chat from there. Once the chat window is open, go to the message box at the bottom and type your message. Make sure your text is clear and ready to send, especially if this is your first message to that person. After typing your message, click the send button or press enter, depending on how you're using X. Your message will be delivered instantly, and the conversation will now appear in your chat list for easy access later. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to DM someone on X.com in a very simple way. It only takes a few steps. Click Chat on the left, choose the person you want to message, type your text, and send it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.